Let's review the Calidus AI Assistant solution. The idea behind this one is a bit different from the others. Most of the other solutions are designed to aid a very specific, very high time investment workflow. This one is more to help with all the other tasks that don't fit neatly into any of the other workflows. And it's not going to be as strong and powerful on as any of the workflow models for what they're doing, and you shouldn't use it for those. But anything that kind of falls through the cracks or is a smaller uh, issue, this is a great solution for. All right, let's give a few examples. So that this could help with quick analysis on case law. It could help with a quick draft of a provision. It could help with some one-off tasks that we've put together. Let's go through some of those. First, we'll put in a question related to the 14th Amendment. And here, Calidus is trying, first is deciding, okay, what type of question is this? Then we're going to pick the best model for that type of question. And we're going to do research that's aligned to that type of question and before giving you an output. Or in some cases, it's so simple that we don't need to do the research. We just start creating the output. So you start to get the answer here. You can read it as it's working. And you can be sure that any of the cases that we're citing are going to be real. We've done the research to ensure that they are and validated them before we give any cases. We'll give you a full list of links so that you can audit us at the bottom. And you'll be able to see all of the case URLs to the actual full case text. And then hopefully you find the analysis useful. Again, this isn't going to replace full legal research. Don't try to draft a full litigation document off of this. But this should help you get to where you answer those quick questions and get started with a quick view. You'd also do very different requests. So you could say draft a single paragraph force majeure provision. And the key is to ask in a way that's very specific to how you want the output. We have a full summary, so summarize section. This is great if you have a longer document that you wanted to work with. You can summarize that. You could also summarize a case. Let's try Brown v. Board of Education and search for that. And we'll go ahead and give you, in a style very similar to what you would hope for as Cliff Notes, that kind of quick output. And you can ask for this to be longer or shorter, depending on what your needs are. You can also attach files and work with uploaded documents. And the advanced mode is something that can help with some of the more complicated reasoning steps. If you have something that involves pretty sophisticated reasoning, it's a great idea to turn on advanced mode. You can also go to quick tasks. This is probably the most underutilized portion of this tool, and it's very useful. We have a wide range of tasks that we've created that are very useful. Let's try improve oral argument. Here we'll go ahead and upload our supporting brief and then paste in our oral argument. Let's submit. Then the AI is going to start giving information that's hopefully helpful to you to improve the argument, whether it's showing some potential responses from the other side, some potential questions the judge might ask, some of the weaknesses in your argument, or just other things you might want to consider to bring in. Hopefully you find you have new ways that can improve and establish that level of confidence that you've got a strong argument once you've gone through a couple of iterations here. We'll call out all the gotchas in this instance. This is just one of the quick tasks where we have about 40 or so in total. And if you have any other ideas, please feel free to send us an email, support@calidusai.com. We're happy to build out more quick tasks. Very often what is useful for one customer will be useful for another. And hopefully that continues to add value to the tool. Thanks, everybody.